Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to detect AI-generated writing for free using a powerful tool called AI Detector Pro. Whether you're a teacher trying to catch plagiarism, a student checking your assignments, or a content creator wanting to ensure your team writes original work, AI Detector Pro can help you. It's an easy-to-use tool that anyone can access, and today I'll walk you through how to make the most of it. I've added a link to AI Detector Pro in the description. You can sign up for free and you won't need to enter any credit card information. There's no risk involved. Just a few simple steps and you're ready to go. Once you click the link, you'll be taken to the sign-up page. The process is quick and straightforward. You'll enter your email and create a password. Then, you'll have full access to the platform. Now, let's explore how to detect AI-generated content for free. This tool tells you if a piece of text was written by AI, a human, or a mix of both. I'll walk you through it step by step and show you why it's a reliable tool for everyone. First, when you get to the website, you need to log in or create an account if you don't have one. When you log in, you'll see a simple dashboard with your projects and any reports you've made. The layout is user-friendly, making it easy to navigate. Let's get started. On the dashboard, click on New AI Scan to set up your project. For this tutorial, I'll show you two examples, one AI-generated text and one written by a human. First, we'll look for AI content. I've already made some text using ChatGPT. I asked it to write a 300-word essay on table tennis. Since this text is AI-generated, it's perfect for testing. I'll copy that text and go back to AI Detector Pro. Now, I'll paste the text into the tool. After pasting, you can click to analyze it. Once the analysis is complete, AI Detector Pro gives you a detailed report. In this case, it found a 98% chance that the text is AI-generated, which is correct since it was written by ChatGPT. You can click on the report to see more details. This is where it gets interesting. The tool highlights parts of the text that show signs of being written by AI, usually in bright red or orange. This visual feedback helps you see which areas need more of a human touch. It's a fantastic way to learn and improve your writing. As you scroll down, you'll find stats explaining why certain parts were flagged. For example, it looks at sentence complexity, word length, and repetition. There's even a graph showing how much of the text fits AI patterns. This information is useful and can help you improve your writing. Now let's talk about humanizing the text. This is a standout feature of AI Detector Pro. If your text is flagged as AI-generated, you can rewrite it to lower the AI detection score. First, open the Eraser tool inside AI Detector Pro. You can edit the text manually, or the software can suggest a rewrite for you. Click the Humanize button to automatically change the text so it sounds more human-like. This feature is great for anyone who wants their writing to feel authentic and relatable. For one final test, I'm going to copy a few paragraphs from a Wikipedia article. Since Wikipedia is mostly written by people, it should easily pass the test. I'll paste it into AI Detector Pro, and just like I expected, it detects the content as likely written by a human. This tool is really helpful for anyone creating content online. If you're writing blog posts, working on SEO, or submitting school papers, you want to make sure your content sounds human, even if you're using AI to help. Pure AI-generated content might not perform well in search engines, and some platforms could flag it. AI Detector Pro also helps you improve your writing process. By doing regular scans, you can track your progress and enhance your skills over time. The more you use it, the better your writing can become. Teachers can also find this tool valuable. They can use AI Detector Pro to check if students are submitting original work, making it a great resource for education. The reporting features let teachers track submissions and spot any patterns of AI use. This helps ensure academic integrity in the classroom. What's even better is that AI Detector Pro gets regular updates to keep up with new AI technologies. This means you'll always have access to the best detection methods available, making it a trustworthy tool for your writing needs. I hope you found this video helpful. Once again, make sure to click the link in the description to use AI Detector Pro for free.